When someone comes in with chronic coughing, they're having swallowing difficulties, or they may even feel like they can't catch their breath, or all of a sudden they can't breathe, and sometimes this occurs in the night, I generally order an ultrasound of the vocal cords, which can show, normal vocal cord movement, but often there's decreased movement on one side. Once the cervical curve is restored and the vagus nerve function improves, the vocal cords work better and the symptomatology lessens.